This is Brendon from Elevationstyles. Welcome back to the video. Today we have a special episode where we're linking up with JD Cuts, my best mate, my barber, and we're going to be going into Dublin city centre and styling him. So today we're going to be showing you how Elevationstyles styles all you guys all around looking into streetwear, how to style for your body shape, how to improve your fragrances, the whole lot. And let's get into the video. So now I have the fresh haircut from JD Cuts. Oh, check this out, lads. Always make sure to take care for grooming. So right now we're out in Dublin and I'm going to give you a character profile of Jamie. So Jamie is 5'10" and he has a rectangle body shape. So he's looking to improve his tree style sense and that's his preferred style. So like I'm always telling you guys, you should go for your own personal style and look in different ways on how to elevate it. So today we're going to be checking out Urban Outfitters first and they're going to pop into H&M. He's going to be looking for cargos. He already has dunks on him and he's going to be looking for a few hoodies and oversized t-shirts. So this of course is going to elevate his style. So let's jump into Urban Outfitters. Let's get this going. Okay, now we're back in the house and honestly that was a great experience. Shout out and thank you to JD Cuts again for the haircut and for letting us style him personally here at Elevationstyles. So of course we ended up in Dublin and then Jamie here was going for that street style look. So we had to go to specific shops to try get this look. So we had to go into Urban Outfitters, H&M, Pull&Bear and of course Arnold's. So we managed to pick up a few cargo pants, Carhartt t-shirts in Arnold's, a few hoodies in Pull&Bear, and then we managed to pick up also a fragrance for Jamie. And this was in the perfume shop. It was the Versace, as you can see in the pictures. Of course, all the outfits are going to be appearing here on the screen. Overall, Jamie enjoyed the experience. But if you're looking to get personally styled by Elevationstyles, you know where to find us. Just hit us up with a DM on Instagram and then we can sort something out. Because where else on YouTube? Type it in. You're not going to see anyone going into shops with their clients, styling them personally one-on-one, especially guys out here. Because I know a lot of you guys are demanding this service, so it's going for a limited time. So make sure to hit us up with a DM and we'll help you out. So again, thank you to JD Cuts. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Keep elevating yourselves to new heights. Follow us on all social media platforms. We'll see you in the next one.